Yeah. Hi everyone, back to another video. So today we are deep diving into a new change that has been recently announced by Microsoft. That is the TypeScript Go support that they are trying to give for TypeScript type checking repo and TypeScript type checking mechanism. So we're just diving and going over this move that they have chosen to go with. This is an official repo by Microsoft on TypeScript Go. Okay. So what they're trying to do here is staging repo for development of native port of TypeScript. They're choosing Go for this effort. So okay, TypeScript 7. This is what they are trying to work on. This repo is very much under active development. As such, there are no published artifacts at this time. Interested developers can clone and run locally to try out things as they become available. What they're trying to say there, it is still a work in progress. They are choosing to go with Go 1.24 or higher and Node.js with npm and hereby. Hereby is also a package, a node package, I think, to be used. Okay, so to test this out, we can do this. I want to check this out as well. What all is there that they have to say about it? So what they're trying to say is that this is 10x faster TypeScript. Okay, so that's the impact that they're going to have with this change. Yeah. So since this TypeScript is 10x faster than the previous one, it is going to be a lot of performance improvement. That is what they're claiming. This is an effort led by Anders Hilsberg. I think this is the same person who worked on C# as well. That was one of the major areas that was led by him. Okay, as far as I remember, I might be wrong. So what they're trying to say here is, let's dive deep into this. Okay, the core value proposition of TypeScript is an excellent developer experience as your code base grows. So what they're trying to say, okay, okay, yeah, what they're trying to say here is uh, TypeScript also needs to scale with the large code bases that have been worked on by various developers all around on TypeScript. So this is their effort to enhance the performance of TypeScript. Developers working in large projects can experience long load and check times. Okay, that is what is the biggest, one of the biggest blockers, type checking, long load times, check times for TypeScript project initialization, creation, builds, etc. So they have chosen between reasonable editor startup time or getting a complete view of their source code. Okay. So we know that developers love when they can rename variables with confidence, find all the references for a particular function, easily navigate their code base, all of those things without delay. New experiences powered by AI benefit from large windows of semantic information that need to be available with tighter latency constraints. Okay, so this is also to scale up the AI improvements, enhancement that they keep on adding in the code editor, and with tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Copilot, uh, I think Codium. So there are a lot of these tools that have been rising up and have been, Lovable is one more, V0 by Vercel. So to scale up the editor performance of VS Code with TypeScript projects, they also want to enhance that performance. So we also want fast command line builds to validate that your entire code base is in good shape. Okay, they want to fast track the process. To meet these goals, we have begun work on a native port of TypeScript, compiler and tools. Native implementation will drastically improve editor startup, reduce most build times by 10x, and substantially reduce memory usage. By porting the current codebase, we expect to be able to preview a native implementation of TC capable of command line type checking by mid 2025. So they are targeting, I think, a release by mid 2025, around June or July, most probably, that they want to enhance this and release, I think, some part of it with feature complete solution for project builds and language service by the end of the year. And by the end of the year, I think they want to release the full set of features that they are targeting here. as in the full TypeScript 7. That is what I would take it from here. Okay, you can build and run the Go code from our new working repo, which is offered under the same license as the existing TypeScript code base. Okay, what they're trying to say here is, let's check it out. Right. It's the same repo that they just released. They're working on. It's the same link. Let's close it down. Which is offered under the same license as the existing TypeScript code base. Okay, check the README for instruction how to build, run language server, and see summary of what's implemented so far. We'll be posting regular updates as new functionality becomes available for testing. So, how much faster would this be? So, our implementation is already capable of loading many popular TypeScript projects, including TypeScript compiler itself. Here are some run TSC on popular code bases. Here are some times that they have measured. So this is for VS Code, Playwright, TypeORM, Date, FNS, which is a very popular Node.js package, TRPC, RxJS. So what they're trying to say, on a code base of line of code 1 million plus, I think this is 1.5 million, right? So the current time of the builds and projects would be 77.8 seconds. Meanwhile, they are planning to reduce it to, so they got a performance jump to 7.5 seconds. So imagine they just reduced it from 77.8 seconds to 7.5 seconds, which is a 10x jump, 10x plus jump in speed. That is what they got here. Similarly, they did it with Playwright, which is a 300k plus line of code base that had a current build time of 11.1 seconds. Load time, I think these are load times for the project. And now since it's converted into this new native TypeScript, it would be 1.1 seconds. That is also a 10.1x jump from the previous performance. Similarly, they measured it on TypeORM, DateFNS, TRPC, 13.5x, 9.5, 9.1, 11.11x on RxJS. So while we are not yet feature complete, these numbers are representative of order of magnitude performance improvement we will see checking most code bases. So that is what they are claiming here. They're saying that it would definitely be a 10x performance jump. This would be the magnitude of difference they will be creating with this project, this effort. We're incredibly excited about the opportunity that this massive speed boost creates. Features that once seemed out of reach are now within grasp. This native port will be able to provide instant comprehensive error listings across entire project. Oh, and a comprehensive set of error listings across projects, support for more advanced refactorings, enable deeper insights that were previously too expensive to compute. Okay. They're also claiming that they can provide a little bit more insights that they used to before, because those were too expensive previously to compute. So that is what also would be one of the features of this effort or this release. So they are also saying this new foundation goes beyond today's developer experience, will enable the next generation of AI tools to enhance development, powering new tools that will learn, adapt, and improve the coding experience. This would be great. I think this would be a great jump. Let's keep going. So editor speed is going to enhance. I think most developer time is spent in editors. It's where performance is most modern. We want editors to load large projects quickly and respond quickly in all situations. Modern editors like Visual Studio Code have excellent performance as long as the underlying language services are also fast. With our native implementation, we'll be able to provide incredibly fast editor experiences. Again, using the Visual Studio code base as a benchmark, the current time to load the entire project in the editor on a fast computer is about 9.6 seconds. This drops to about 1.2 seconds. Oh, that's a huge 8x jump that they got from the previous load times. So we can just witness the performance improvement from before. This is big. What this translates to is faster working experience. From time to time you open your editor to your first keystroke on TypeScript code base. We expect all projects to see this level of improvement in load time. Okay, this is going to be good enhancement that they're working on. Overall memory usage also appears to be roughly half the current implementation, though we haven't actively investigated optimizing this yet. Expect to release further improvements at responsiveness for all language services operations include completion, quick info, go to definition. Okay, we'll also be moving to language server protocol LSP. Oh, what is a language server protocol? Oh, a long-standing infrastructural work item to better align our implementation with other languages. Let's just check it out. What is this? Oh, this is a protocol, an open protocol for JSON RPC. Okay, for use between source code editors or integrated development environments. Okay, this is a specific integrated development environment protocol. I think this must be mostly used for servers and IDEs to get the autocompletes, to get all the operations performed inside it. Something developed by Microsoft, I guess. Okay, that's good. So the versioning roadmap that they plan on working here, our recent TypeScript release was TypeScript 5.8. With 5.9 coming soon, the JS-based codebase will continue development into the 6.x series, and TypeScript 6.0 will introduce some deprecations, breaking changes to align with the upcoming native codebase. Okay, and the native codebase has reached sufficient parity with the current TypeScript. Will be releasing it as TypeScript 7.0. This is still in development and will be announcing stability and feature milestones as they occur. Okay, for the sake of clarity, we'll refer to them as simply TypeScript 6 and 7. Okay, TypeScript 6 they are calling as the JS TypeScript, while TypeScript 7 would be the native one with the performance enhancement. And this will be the nomenclature for foreseeable future. You may also see reference to Strada, the original TypeScript codename, Corsa, codename for this effort. Oh, the codename for TypeScript 6 project is Strada, while they give an alias to this project as Corsa. In internal discussion or code comments, while some projects may be able to switch to TypeScript 7 upon release, others may depend on certain API features, legacy configurations, or other constraints that necessitate using TypeScript 6. Recognizing TypeScript's critical role in the JS development ecosystem, will be maintaining the JS codebase in the 6.x line until TypeScript 7 Plus reaches sufficient maturity and adoption. So they'll be maintaining the previous versions, they are going to be supporting them well until the TypeScript 7 Plus efforts reach certain stage of maturity and adoption. That is what they are aiming for. Our long-term goal is to keep these versions closely aligned as possible, so that you can upgrade TypeScript 7 as soon as it meets your requirements, or fall back to TypeScript 6 if necessary. Okay, that's great. They're also going to be keeping it as a fallback version of support that they're going to give to both TypeScript 6 and 7. So the next steps here would be, in the coming months, we'll be sharing more about this exciting effort, including deeper looks into performance, a new compiler, API, LSP, and more. Oh, they have some more work that they're going to release, announce, keep announcing it. Great. Written up some FAQs on the GitHub repo, TypeScript Discord community, May 10 a.m. PDT, 5 p.m. UTC on March 13th. So on March 13th, they're going to be making an announcement for this. A 10x performance improvement represents a massive leap in TypeScript and JavaScript development experience, so we hope you are as enthusiastic as we are for this effort. It's a great blog by Anders Hillsberg. TypeScript. Yeah, I guess then I was almost right that he's the original designer of C#, Delphi, and Turbo Pascal in Microsoft. So he himself designed C#. That is also an effort by Microsoft. I'm not sure why. Okay, I think a lot of people must be having the same question that I have, that why wouldn't they go with C# and would choose Go for this, right? Are they addressing a few issues that C# has, and are they accepting it, saying Go is better? Because a lot of their existing ecosystem revolves around C#, depends on it. I think that would also have been a great effort, great choice for using it for this project. I think that would have been also good. Yeah, but I guess this is also a great project, and I'm excited for further releases that the team has to talk about here, and I'll keep waiting for more announcements here, and I think I'm pretty excited for this. This is a big, huge change. I hope we are able to witness it soon, and we're able to test it out. I think you can currently just go ahead and initialize the repo, see what all is there, right? And I think we can also build it, test it, clone it, so that we can profile the performance. We can see it firsthand what all is going to get changed here. This is going to be great. Okay, so I guess we'll keep this short and we'll keep it up to here. And feel free to go ahead and check out this blog by Anders, and go to the comment section. Let's see what other people have to say about it. And I'm excited. Yeah. Thanks a lot. So this is going to be the end of the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks everyone. Bye from Programming Terrain. Thank you.